So guys, let me show you the status of the capsicum plants that I planted. You can see the flowers of the capsicum or Shimla mirch, bell pepper. And this is our mango forest, our aam ka jungle. And the haldi, or turmeric, and the rose plant is getting new red leaf over here. And again the corn, small baby corn. And one lime tree is also growing, not going, it's growing. In this pot also, and few lime I have in this pot, baby limes. Strong winds, huh? Today we had a windy day and the atmosphere and the environment is really cool today. Very less humidity because of cyclonic rains. A baby tiny capsicum of my plant. आज तो बहुत विंडी डे है, हवा चल रहा है बढ़िया से. Today is a very windy day and very less humidity, so we are enjoying the weather from our terrace. This is the beautiful view of the sky. Strange cloud, huh?